1. Complete the analogy. Pearl, necklace, flower. Garden, bouquet, petal, plant. The correct answer is bouquet. To find compound interest on 5,000 rupees at 12% PA for 1 year, compounded half-yearly. 630 rupees. 618 rupees. 620 rupees. 625 rupees. The correct answer is 618 rupees. 3. Chronic diarrhea is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheria, intestinal parasites, Candida albicans, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The correct answer is intestinal parasites. 4. Insert proper mathematical signs. 16 divided by 8 times 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to 136, 122. 130, 126. The correct answer is 126. 5. If men is coded as men and woman as woman, then child will be coded as cold. Chuld. CHELD. Chald. The correct answer is cold. 6. The spinal cord is made up of nervous tissue. Cardiac muscles. Smooth muscles. Striated muscles. The correct answer is nervous tissue. 7. The ligaments join muscle to muscle. Bone to bone. Muscle to bone. None of these. The correct answer is bone to bone. 8. Over-the-counter opioid with antidiarrheal action codeine. Dextromethorphan. Diphenoxylate. Loperamide. The correct answer is loperamide. 9. Penicillin was discovered by Michael Faraday. Sir Alexander Fleming. William Harvey. Charles Goodyear. The correct answer is Sir Alexander Fleming. 10. Movements of the baby felt by the pregnant mother are known as lightening. Engagement. Quickening. Ballotment. The correct answer is quickening. 11. The average of 25 results is 18. First 12 average is 14. Last 12 average is 17. Find the 13th result. 74, 78. 76, 80. The correct answer is 78. 12. Red blood corpuscles are formed in liver. Small intestine. Kidneys. Bone marrow. The correct answer is bone marrow. 13. Disposable syringes are sterilized by boiling. Ultraviolet radiation. Electromagnetic radiation. Ethylene oxide. The correct answer is ethylene oxide. 14. Mumbai's Matunga railway station was recently in news because most clean railway station. First all-women staff railway station. Most congested railway station. Highest earning railway station. The correct answer is first all-women staff railway station. 15. DPT vaccination is for protection against diarrhea, pertussis, tetanus. Diarrhea, polio, tetanus. Diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. Diphtheria, polio, tetanus. The correct answer is diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. 16. Transfer of genetic information from one generation to the other is accomplished by DNA. Messenger RNA. Transfer RNA. Both B and C. The correct answer is DNA. 17. Find out the odd pair from the following. Potato, curry. Man, male. Lemon, citrus fruit. Lotus, flower. The correct answer is potato, curry. 18. The first metal to be used by man was aluminium, copper, silver, iron. The correct answer is copper. 19. A pipe can fill a tank in 15 hours. Due to a leak, it is filled in 20 hours. Time for leak to empty it? 60 hours. 55 hours. 54 hours. 56 hours. The correct answer is 60 hours.